Hello everyone. In today I am going to do new grade and a lesson. It's grade 9 second lesson eye and ear. In this video I hope to do what is the eye, parts of the eye, it means structure of the eye, the functions of each parts of the eye and the process of visionary senses. Okay, let's see. Before doing the lesson, let's do an activity. Okay. Please close your eyes for a moment. Okay. Now you can obtain that you can't see anything around you. Then please open your eyes. Then you can see all the things around you. Then that activity is demonstrate that the eye is help us to get the vision. Okay, let's know about the eye. What is the eye? Eye is the optical sensory organ which is in our body. Then that eye is help us to get the vision. Then this eye is situated inside the orbits in the skull. So this eyeball can move vertical plane, horizontal plane, not only that, circular plane also. Okay, let's see the structure of the eye. Okay, this is the structure of the eye. You can see the several parts of the eye. In that video, I hope to talk about the functions also. Okay, first of all, let's see the sclerotic layer. Okay, what do you know about the sclerotic layer? Sclerotic layer is the outermost layer of the eye. You know that sclerotic layer is present around the eyeball. When this sclerotic layer is comes to that place, it means that place we are known that place as the cornea. Then we can say that the sclerotic layer in front of the iris become the cornea. Okay, now let's talk about the cornea. Cornea is the transparent thin layer which is present in the cornea. It's help to absorb light rays which is entering from the object. Okay, third one. What is the third one? Choroid. What is the choroid? Choroid is situated inside the sclerotic layer. Then that choroid is supplies blood to the eye. Okay, now tell me what is the part which is supply blood to the eye? It is choroid. Then retina. Retina is the yellow layer. Then retina is situated inside the choroid. Then in retina you can see two types of cells. What are they? Rod cells and cone cells. Then the rod cells and cone cells are light sensitive cells. In that layer we can see special 2 points. They are fovea, yellow spot, then blind spot. Okay, first of all, shall we discuss about fovea? This is the fovea. Then in fovea there are sensitive cells are present, and fovea is the sensitive part of the retina. In fovea the sharp images are formed. The sharp images are formed on the fovea. Then we can tell that if there is no fovea, we cannot see anything. Okay. Let's talk about the blind spot. Blind spot. There is no any light sensitive cells, and if the image is formed on the blind spot, we can't see that image. So we can tell no vision on this spot. Okay. Optic nerve. This is the most important part of the eye. Because that optic nerve is connect eye and brain. Then the function of that optic nerve is sending messages to the brain. Because if we want to identify the image, we want to send that message to the brain through the optic nerve. Then let's talk about eye muscles. Eye muscles. There are 6 eye muscles which are fix the eye. Then eye muscles are most important part of the eye. Okay, you can see the big ball. No, vitreous humor. It's known as the vitreous humor. And this is a jelly-like substance, and this is help to maintain spherical shape of the eye. Then ciliary muscles. These are the ciliary muscles. Then this is a support to hold the lens. You can see the lens, and the lens is held by the ciliary muscles. Then there are other functions also. This is helps to change the curvature of the eye when it is necessary. If we want to see something, or it means nearby object or distant by object, we want to change our curvature of the eye. Then to change the curvature of the eye, the ciliary muscles are help. Okay, then you can see a lens. This is a biconvex lens. This has the ability to change its curvature. I talked about the curvature previously. Then let's talk about the pupil. Pupil is the hole which is situated center of the iris, and it allows light to the entering and the pass through the lens. Then iris. Iris helps to control the amount of light rays entering the eye from the object. Okay, these are the parts of the eye and the functions of each parts of the eye. Okay, let's talk about the process of visionary senses. Okay, if you want to see something, for example, let's get a candle. If you want to see that candle, then from the candle, the light rays are entering into the eye. Then through the lens, that light rays are refracted to the retina and converging light rays onto the retina. On retina, there is a special point. It is the fovea. In fovea, forming an inverted image. It's not an upright image and identified image. Then to identify the image, you have to send in messages to the brain through what? The optical nerve. Okay. Then after sending the message to the brain through the optic nerve, the brain have an ability to identify what is that image. So the brain identified that image, and after that we have identify and see the object like candle. Okay, these are the things that I hope to do. So I think that I did all the things. In next video I hope to do the other part of the lesson. Okay, I think that you enjoyed my lesson.